Good morning. Today we are going to learn how to find the area below the x-axis. Page 194. I will explain two examples, then you are able to solve the textbook questions. First one, find the area of the region bounded by the curve with equation y is equal to 2 divided by x square minus 3. The lines in between x equal to 2 and x equal to 4. That means, see, I have drawn these two lines. We are going to find the area below this x-axis, the shaded area. To find the area of the shaded part, we have to just integrate that. The shaded area is equal to, in between the limits 2 and 4, you have to integrate this curve. Your curve is 2 by x square minus 3 into dx. Here the limit is in between 2 and 4. So you can put the limit also. See, when you integrate this, instead of this x square down, I can bring this up. So it becomes x to the power minus 2. Okay, when this x square comes up, it will be minus 2. And minus 3, then we are going to integrate now. You know the rule for integration, x to the power n plus 1 divided by n plus 1. So 2 I put like this. Now x to the power minus 2 plus 1 divided by minus 2 plus 1. Minus 2 plus 1 is minus 1. That's why 2x to the power minus 1 divided by minus 1 minus 3 means 3 times x. We are going to integrate the in between 2 to 4. Okay. Now this becomes, see, 2x to the power minus 1 divided by minus 1, that is equal to, this minus will come up. So minus 2, x to the power minus 1 I can bring down. Minus 2 by x I can write. Minus 3x. If you don't bring also, your answer will be coming correct only. Then you have to put x place first, 4. So 2 by 4, that is 1 by 2. Minus, if I put 4 in the x place, 4 times 3, 12. Minus, now I will put the lower limit. When I put lower limit here, minus 2 by 2, that is equal to minus 1. Okay, minus 1. Then I have to put minus here, minus 3 times 2, 6. That is minus 1, minus 6. So when you do in the calculator, you will get minus 5.5 square units. That is the area under this, under the x-axis. This is the area under the x-axis. Now another question. Find the area between the curve and the x-axis for the function y equal to x square plus 3x between x equal to minus 1 and x equal to 2. You now see, the problem is that you have to integrate in between minus 1 and 2. So you can draw a figure like this, and you have two parts. This is part A, part B. You will find the area in between minus 1 to 0, that is your area of shaded A. And then you will integrate in between the limits 0 to 2. You will get the area of this part B. When you add these two parts, you will get the total area. Once again, first you will integrate between the limits minus 1 to 0. Then you will integrate in between 0 to 2. Then the total you can find. That is the total area under the shaded figure. Okay, area A plus area B. Here, y is equal to x square plus 3x. X square plus 3x. First I told you, you will integrate in between minus 1 to 0. And now 0 to 2. 0 to 2. Okay. So again, integration rule, x to the power 2 plus 1, 3 by 3 plus 3. Here only 1. So 1 plus 1, 2, x to the power 2 by 2. You will integrate in between minus 1 to 0. Here again the same thing you can write here, but the limit only will change 0 to 2. Now the same thing. If I put 0 here, everywhere I have to put 0. So the first part is 0. Minus, now I am going to put minus 1 in the x place. So minus 1 cube divided by 3 plus 3 into minus 1 square divided by 2. Then I have to put 2 here. So 2 cube, 2 into 2 into 2, 8. 8 by 3 plus, now 2 cube is 4, 4, 3, 12. 12 by 2 is 6. Now the limits in between 0 to 2. Then when you do in the calculator, you will get these answers. Final answer is 59 by 6 square units. So if there is a question to find the area like this, you will cut into two parts and you will find the area of this in between minus 1 to 0, then 0 to 2, then add, then you will get the total area.